showing you our room.
Let's go!
Let's go! Ta-da!
Look at our room!
So spacious. First thing first, kitchen.
For our consumption. And we have complimentary
Drinks.
for our consumption. Okay, let's move on.
Moving on to the next part of the room, the living room.
It's either I'm short or this sofa is like huge.
This sofa is the same size as my bed and they called it a sofa. Can literally just sleep here already. And then, the first highlight of this room,
Give you a sneak peek.
sneak peek that you can't really see.
Bright light is worth it.
Wait till she opens. 3. So blinding. Look at it. Look at the view. We have a balcony. The balcony can seriously hold a party here, eh? Really, it's so big. The balcony connects to our bedroom. So cozy. And then there's a second highlight, which is the bathroom. It's so big. This entire bathroom is probably the same size as my bedroom, and it's so spacious that Jess can dance in the middle. So that's all for our room tour, and this is at ATTA Lakeside Resort. Hi, we just finished lunch and
it was
awesome.
so we had this sushi roll called dynamite roll, and it's made from spicy salmon and scallop. Super good.
And then we also ordered this rice that had pork katsu, and it's like technically an oyakodon but with very nice pork katsu, and that was also quite delicious. When we ordered the honey toast, when it came, right, we were saying like, oh no, how are we supposed to finish? And then it was so nice, so crispy on the outside, then inside is like sweet. Then we just finished everything.
So we do recommend if you come to this resort, right, go to the restaurant because the food is good.
5 star for all the food.